So this is my 2004 Nissan Pulsar, and yesterday I was driving it and nearly got freaking T-boned. It then made me realize that I literally could have died because this car got no safety in it. The airbags are 25 years old, the doors are weak like cardboard, this car still got wind-up windows. Oh, fuck, damn. Oh, damn. The lights don't work, the gearbox literally makes a cracking sound, and the brakes literally lag. Like whenever I slam the brakes, the car stops like 10 seconds later. All in all, I need a new car. And you know, now that I'm turning 21, I'm old enough to go chase my dreams. Why don't I go and just buy my dream car? The only problem is, I've only got like $14 in my bank account. So in this video, I'm gonna try and find some creative ways to make money so I can finally buy my dream car. I'll let you know what my dream car is towards the end of this video, but all I'm gonna say is, it is a 4x4 SUV. It costs around $30,000, and that's only secondhand. The brand new one costs around $70,000. Bro, I'm not even gonna try and get a brand new one, cause if I do, I'm gonna have to live in the car, cause I'll literally be homeless. I'm gonna end up going into generational debt. I'm gonna have to start sleeping at your house. So in this video, we're gonna have to find some creative ways to make money, cause I ain't trying to drive this no more. Like, look at this. This is probably the hardest thing I've ever attempted to make money from starting with zero. This won't be easy, but hey, I ain't stopping, cause this car, bro, I can't pull any huzz in this car, bro. I'm literally huzzless driving this. Look at it. Also, shout out to my man Douglas for inspiring me to make this video. He made a sick video, so you should definitely check out his channel as well. The first thing I did is to write down what skills or things or anything that can help me make 30 grand. Okay, so I have this old Nissan Pulsar 2004 that pulls no hose. I have internet connection. I have a computer. I also have a lot of experience doing YouTube videos and making content. So the first thing that jumped out is for me to try and flip this old piece of trash into some cash. What if I sell this car and then use that money to buy a car that's in better condition and then flip that car for some profit? Originally, I bought this car for around like $3,000, so I wouldn't mind getting $2,000 for it. So I cleaned the car, took some nice pictures of it, went on Facebook Marketplace and posted it and waited for some offers. Boom, it's done. The marketplace listing is now up. All we gotta do is wait for someone to put an offer on the Ferrari. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Silver Ferrari about to be sold. And then 24 hours later. All right, boys, so it's 24 hours later. I checked marketplace. I only got one message, and it was about a coffee machine that I posted for my mom 3 months ago. Literally no one messaged me about the car. Does no one want the Ferrari? No. Bro, what? I didn't even get the bots message me. You know the bots that say, hey, is this available? I'll pay ID you. Even the bots didn't message me. Even they didn't bother. If I do sell the car, do I have to walk to church on Sundays now? I don't mind not being able to sell the car because I actually don't have any other forms of transport. If I did sell that car, I ain't trying to catch a bus everywhere I go. Bro, imagine me going on a date and then we're gonna catch the bus to go back to my place. Bruh. So I went back to the drawing board because clearly my attempt at selling that car didn't work. Then I had the brilliant idea. So I've got internet and I've got a computer. Bro, why don't I try and just make some money online? You know, these 17-year-old kids in this world, they're making like $2 million a month. Why don't I try to do something like that? So the first idea that I got is crypto. I'm gonna try crypto day trading, but the only problem is you kind of need some money to get into crypto, and for me, I only had $14 in my account. So I decided to look around my room and see if I had anything that I could sell for some quick cash. So I basically found this old Xbox that I used to use. I don't play video games anymore, so this Xbox has been just here for like months. So I took this and went down to my local pawn shop and basically traded this for some quick cash. Alright, boys, so I just traded in the Xbox, got the receipt right here. Currently got around $150, so it's good enough. I basically traded an Xbox and a few games and a controller and stuff like this. So now I'm gonna go use that. Let's make some money. Hey, RIP the Xbox, but we got some money to make, you know what I mean? Once we get rich, we can buy like 20 Xboxes, so it's alright, you know what I mean? Alright, let's do it. So I'm gonna take this money now and put this into crypto, but the only problem is I've never actually done crypto before. I've only done crypto once in my life, and that didn't end up too well. So I got to work. I started researching some YouTube tutorials on how to trade crypto, how to make money fast through crypto, and I put all my money into it. And the results were kind of shocking. I lost all the money. Yeah, I lost all that money from the Xbox. So yeah, I gave up on crypto because it literally made me lose all that money. Plus, I don't have my Xbox now. And also, it's going to take me ages to go and make that money into $30,000. So I decided to try something else. I've noticed throughout my life, a lot of my friends have told me that I have a lot of energy and that I'm funny.
It bids. Wait, bro, Sam, I'm 0 hearts. What? No, you doing me?
So then why don't I try and take another shot at making content? I used to make YouTube videos back in the day during school, but then I just stopped because, you know, life happened and I had to get a job and stuff like this. But why don't I try that again? Why don't I try and actually take it serious this time and make money from it? So I started streaming, specifically playing a game called Minecraft. And this was literally the best decision I made. People were donating me so much money because of the streams. They really enjoyed me playing Minecraft.
Yo, what the? No.
Bro, I started averaging like 700 to 1,000 viewers whenever I streamed. And I started turning my live streams into short form clips and posted them on TikTok. And they all started going viral. I started making money through donations.
Wait, is this real? Wait, people actually donated. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I started making money through TikTok itself. I started getting millions of views on my clips. People started reposting my clips on Instagram, which got me another 10 million views. I literally am not kidding when I say this. My whole perspective on money changed once this happened. I literally gained 40,000 followers on TikTok within like 60 days or so. I was going viral on TikTok for playing Minecraft. This shit felt like a fever dream and everything was going good until I got banned on TikTok.
I got flagged from TikTok, so RIP. I hope I'm not banned, but oh my god.
I knew I couldn't keep relying on TikTok to make this money because TikTok is so weird and it's like fragile. It bans you for no reason. I literally was just playing Minecraft on stream and might have maybe accidentally said the N-word once.
What did you say?
Oh my god, this nigga's so weird.
That's about it. But like TikTok banned me for no reason. So then I decided TikTok wasn't the right way. I'm gonna go and do YouTube instead. And I actually got the channel monetized, started making a little bit of money from the YouTube channel. And yeah, so far we're going good. And then one day I was sitting and then I got the idea. Bro, I know how to go viral on TikTok. I've done it before. Why don't I just try and sell that skill to other people who want to do the exact same? So then I started another YouTube channel called RTFisRich. And basically I started posting videos on how to go viral on TikTok on that channel every single day. And then I got a video that went viral and that channel got monetized as well. So this channel right here made me around $260, which is cool, I know. But then I did a little something that completely changed everything. I released an info product. If you don't know what an info product is, it's basically like a course or some sort of informational product that you release on the internet. I made a course on how to go viral on TikTok and released it to my viewers on that channel and it did insane. I literally got sales after sales after sales. I started making money and money and more money and more money. That alone got me to around $12,000. But I still had a long way to go because I still had to make another 18 grand. And now that YouTube business was going well, I decided, bro, why don't I just start another YouTube channel? You know, because YouTube is clearly working for me, but why don't I just go and do another one? So then I started a new channel called RTFisRich. This is the channel you're currently watching. And I started posting religiously on there, video after video after video, and I finally got a breakthrough. My 5th video on that channel blew the frick up, and it's currently around 250,000 views. Views started flowing in. People were really enjoying the videos. I started making money left, right, and center. I finally got that channel monetized as well, and now have 3 YouTube channels that are fully monetized, making me money. This could have never been more perfect, but then the dreaded happened. I got freaking striked again on YouTube this time. So I made a video of me doing some Omegle trolling, and I accidentally left something in that video that was against YouTube's terms and conditions, which caused me to get a strike. I stopped making money on this YouTube channel, which literally sent me in a panic attack. And I tried appealing to YouTube to say like, hey, this was a mistake. I didn't mean to do this. Can you please reinstate the guideline strike? And to my surprise, it actually worked. Thanks YouTube. And then that channel started making me money once again. But I still had around $15,000 left to make. And I wasn't about to stop because this is my dream car. I want to get this SUV. But then I had another great idea. Why don't I just finance the car? Now wait. Before you say, oh, you're so stupid. Why are you going to finance a $30,000 car? Wait, let me explain. Let me freaking explain. Rich people never pay for a car in full cost. If a car costs $30,000 and you spend $30,000 cash on that car, the only thing you get is the car. But if you have the $30,000 and only spend $15,000 as a down payment on that car, and keep the other 15,000. You get the car and 15,000 remaining. And then you can use that remaining 15,000 to go buy another car or buy another house or buy something that will double that money. Poor people always just spend the money and get the item. Rich people spend a little bit of the money, get the item and get the money that they had, so then they can go and double that money. If you've got the knowledge, you can literally take the remaining 15,000 and double that into 30,000, and then you've made a profit. So I decided to go with that analogy.
And plus I was getting really impatient because these business ventures took me literal months to pull off, and I really wanted my dream car ASAP.
Also, another hint of what my dream SUV is, it's an American car. Keep guessing, see if you can try and figure it out. And in saying that, I decided to take the leap. I started calling up all the banks, started talking to people on the phone. Shout out to my parents for helping me finance the car, because they put their names down as, you know, the guardians and stuff like this, because financing a car, there's a lot that goes into it. So they put their names down and they helped me with the documents and stuff. So shout out to them. I couldn't have done it without them. And I basically used the 15,000 that I made as a down payment for the car, and I finally bought my dream car.
Alright boys, it's finally done. All those months of hard work, all those business ventures that we did, it's finally freaking done. This is why you should always chase your dreams, because you never know what comes out of it. I do still have a car payment on this, but it's so little to the point where it's like my income that I'm making from the YouTube business and stuff like this literally covers this car. So I've basically got the car for free. But yeah, look at it, bro. Took us a while, took us a few months, but it's here, it's in our heads. I can touch this thing. Look at it. I'm in some random ass park. I don't know where I am. I'm in some random ass park. So if it's too loud, I'm sorry, but as you can see, this shit looks lit. You know what I mean? Sheesh! I can't lie, this car's lit, bruh. Like, look at it. Damn! The only downside I can think about this car is that it takes up so much fuel, bro. Like, it uses the highest premium fuel and it just drinks it so fast. Like brother, like, chill out, bro. I'm not rich yet. The brother's drinking the fuel like a freaking Slurpee. Like, bro, chill. My dream SUV was actually the SRT version of this car, which is the V8 version. But unfortunately, I'm not on my full license yet. I get my full license in 2 months. You can't actually drive a V8 in Australia when you don't have your full license. But this is sick as well. This is what dream car, and in 2 months time I'm gonna be getting my full license. So hey, if this video does well, I might as well try and get the V8 version. Yo, like this video, share it around, hopefully it blows up, and if it blows up, we gonna go and try and get the V8. Let's get it. But yeah, that info product was doing so well. I'm gonna be releasing another info product on this channel in like a month or so yeah, definitely keep your eye out about that. It's gonna be a self-improvement based info product, so yeah, I definitely think it'll be valuable to you. Hard work takes time. Don't try to rush this. This took me a few months to make it happen. It takes time, it takes a lot of pain, but in the end, you get what you want. You know what I mean? Boys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this journey inspired you to, you know, take the risk yourself. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.